Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y200 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, select this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Click on Files section, and to add an audio file, you need to look for it over here. When you find it, hold it, and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, click on Gallery section instead. Select Folders. Look for your video, and when you find it, tap on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!